Contract activity softened slightly this week, but the speed to contract tells the real story. It's Friday, May 22nd, 2026. Congratulations to all those Naval Academy graduates who are being commissioned today. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. This week, Annapolis inventory rose 10.1% to 251 properties for sale with a median list price of $799,000. This is a meaningful inventory jump for Annapolis and gives buyers more choices than we've seen in recent weeks. However, inventory growth does not necessarily mean weakening demand and falling prices because Annapolis is a very expensive area. The median active list price is nearing $800,000. That reinforces how heavily weighted Annapolis inventory remains towards higher priced homes and how challenging it will be for first-time home buyers entering the market. 34 properties are coming soon this week with a median list price of $730,000. Homes are still going under contract in just over a week, which remains extremely fast by historical standards despite fewer contracts this week. At 33 units in 8 days at a list price of $674,500. 40 properties sold in 10 days at a median sold price of $638,750. A 99.7% list to sold ratio is a strong indicator that Annapolis pricing remains highly competitive despite increased inventory. There are 46 rental properties listed at $3,000 per month, and these have been listed for 27 days. Are you curious about housing values in your neighborhood? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 22nd, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your holiday weekend and take a moment of silence on Monday to acknowledge those on Memorial Day who have sacrificed their lives in the line of duty. I'll see you next week. Take care.